guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do something different and I bought a lip gloss base. This is a sample size. I don't know how many grams or anything, but I know a lot of you guys are wondering, can you make lip gloss without the Versagel, and we're about to find out. So this is a sample size of the lip gloss base and this cost $1.50. Shipping was $2.66. So it took about, let's just say 5 days to come. I don't exactly remember. So this is a subscriber that has her own business and this is her business card. No, this video is not sponsored, just to let you guys know, because you guys are wondering. So that's her Instagram and her website. So yeah, it's a really pretty card. And she also does graphics too. So you can contact her if you want something done. So she sent me this gorgeous letter. I'm going to read it to you guys. It says, "Thank you for trying out my base. I hope you like it. It helps dry chapped lips. If you don't like it the way it looks mixed with the glitter, let me know. I think it's beautiful and it's how my glosses are. It is unique and is very different from other businesses. Thank you, girl." So yeah, this was her letter. It was very nice, very sweet. I'm going to DM her, telling her thank you. And then she had it on the back where it said, "To Marisa." And she had it nicely folded. So I thought that was really pretty. So shout out to you. Even though I really don't do shout outs, but since I'm reviewing her product, I'll give her a shout out. So guys, if you want to send me your products for me to review, just leave a comment and then I'll tell you to DM me. So if it's not about business, please do not DM me because I won't respond. So if you have a question about how to make lip gloss, leave a comment. Otherwise, I won't respond to your DM. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to open this up. So this is what it looks like. Again, she makes her own lip gloss base. So yeah, it's really pretty. It's like a white color. So yeah, very pretty. So right now I'm going to put it in a bowl. Just like this. Alright, let me get another. Like that. I'll use this one. Just gonna kind of dig it out. Like that. And then since this is not working too well, I'm just going to use the end of it like that. So yeah, guys, this is just a demonstration video. I'm not actually going to sell this. Just to let you guys know. So yeah, so this is, oh, let me move this out the way. Alright, so this is what I got out of the little jar. Actually, let me change spoons because I used that spoon already. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's nice and thick. So now I'm going to add some glitter to it. So I'm just going to add some loud pink glitter. I'm not going to add any silver or anything like that to it. So I know a lot of you guys ask me and say, do you have to add silver to all the colors? No. Silver is something that I add because I want to. As you can see, I only have a little bit left in here. I'll probably refill this later on. But yeah, so now I'm just going to dab a little bit in here like this. Let's see. All right, so I just added just a little bit. So now I'm just going to mix this up like this. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to get a better angle because you can kind of see my shadow a little bit. I hope that looks a little bit better. But yeah, I'm just going to mix that like this. So this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see that. So I'm just going to add maybe a little bit more. There you go. I just added just a dab more. So you guys, this is pretty much what it looks like with the glitter. Yep, so that's what it looks like. So guys, I did add everything that was in here, by the way, just to let you guys know. As you can see, it is empty, nice and clear. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my flavoring oil, strawberry flavoring oil. Guys, do you like when I do voiceovers? Well, this isn't a voice, I'm actually talking in the video, but normally I just have music made. So should I do more talking or just mute the video and then just have some instrumental playing? Let me guys know. So I added the flavoring oil. I kind of added a little bit more than 2 drops to kind of just squirt it out, because that is a new bottle that I am working with. Alright, so guys, this is the gloss. Smells amazing. Again, it does not have a smell to it unless you add a scent to it. So if you want it to smell really good, I suggest you adding a scent. And I get this from tkbtrading.com. A lot of people ask me where I get that from. And this is the 2 fluid ounces, by the way, and it's like $6. So yeah, it'll last a really long time. So yeah, this is pretty much the gloss. So I would put it in a syringe and put it in a bottle, but this really isn't enough. But I guess I can put it in there just so you guys can get a feel for it. If I can find my syringe. Oh, here it is. I found it. Okay, guys, I get my syringes from Amazon. By the way, I get 10 of these for like $13. Something like that. So I'm just gonna cut this open like this. I'm just gonna take this out like that. I'm just gonna take this top off like that. I normally don't show this in all my videos because I pretty much use the same syringe, but for this video I decided to use a brand new one. So now I'm just gonna put this in the syringe. Just like this. I normally use a spatula, but for this video, I'm just gonna use the spoon. The spoon will do the exact same thing, guys. So I'm just scraping all of this off like that. Just like this, guys. Just like that. So this is what I have left over. I'm just gonna throw that in the trash because I don't need that. So yeah, this is what it would look like. So what you would do is take a pipette. A lot of people ask me, how do I get a long syringe? You just add the pipette, and what you want to do is just cut the end like this. Cut that off. Then take the other end. Cut that off like that. Turn this around and attach it just like that. Very simple. You have to really squeeze hard up so it won't come out, but I'm not going to squeeze that hard because I just have a little bit, as you can see. So now I'm going to take my lip gloss tube. I'm going to take the top off. I'm going to take this off. I already loosened that. That's why it comes up so easy. I'm just gonna put that in here, just like that. Very easy, very simple. And I'm gonna take this part. I'm just gonna shove it. Oh, sorry about that. I'm just gonna shove that down there like that. Place this in here, and then just push down on it like that, and then it will go in. Just like that. So that is all. See, it is empty. That is all of it. So yeah, guys, and we're pretty much done. Again, I did get the sample size for $150. So this is what my syringe looks like. This is what the end looks like. So I'm probably just gonna throw this away because I don't want to use this for my glosses because it's a different base. And what I would normally do is push a Versagel through it so all this will clear out. But I'm just gonna throw this away because I don't want this base to get mixed in with my base, you know, just to be safe. There's your lip gloss. Again, I bought the sample size, which is this small size. If you want more, then buy a bigger size. I don't have prices. Again, you will have to DM her on Instagram at CM Collection. And then you will take your little fancy labels and put them on there. These are some new labels. They say Marisa Cosmetics. I know it's really hard to see. And yes, they are holographic, but I really don't like these labels because they're really small. And I didn't realize how small they were until they came. And the size of those was, I don't even remember. Because I just guessed the size because I had no idea what size I should use. So I'm just going to put a label like that just to show for demonstration. Like that. See how small that is? And I really hated how that looked. So I bought some more labels, which cost me $60. And I will do a review once those come. And that coming in like a month or so. So yeah, guys. So now I'm just going to try it out. Yeah, guys. This is the swatch of the lip gloss. So yeah, I can feel kind of a little bit of chunks. You do kind of feel a little bit of the chunks for the lip gloss, but you just want to spread that out a little bit. And then I like how it feels nice and moisturized on my skin too. It feels really nice and moisturized. Very shiny, very pretty. You can see the glitter very well. I know my skin looks ashy, but it's really not. It's just the light that makes my skin look ashy. But yeah, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you like this lip gloss, I know it looks bad now because I was squeezing it like crazy. Again, if you like this lip gloss, if you like the lip gloss base, contact at CM Collection and DM her and buy some lip gloss base if you hate the Versagel. Again, if you have something that you like or something that you made that you want me to review on my channel, just send it to me and I'll do a video of it. Whether it's your lip gloss, your highlighter, your eyeshadow, your lipstick, your chapstick, no matter what it is, just send it to me and I will do a video. So you guys, I will see you in the next video.